Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So if your search bar or your search box is not working in Windows 11, in this video we are going to fix this. So let's start the video. First, press Control key, Shift key and Skip key. So press all the three keys on your keyboard. So this will open the Task Manager. So first open Task Manager. After that, click on this search box and type Windows Explorer. And you will see this result, Windows Explorer. So right click on this service, then click on restart. So restart this Windows Explorer service and this will fix the issue. If you are still getting the same issue, again open Task Manager. So press Control key, Shift key and Skip key and open Task Manager. After that, on the left side, click on Details. Click on this search box and type searchhost. And you will see this result, searchhost.exe. So right click on this service, then click on End Task, click on End Process, wait for a few seconds. So this service will automatically start again, as you can see. Now cut this window and check. Now move on to the next step. If you are still getting the same issue, press Window key and R together on your keyboard and this will open the run command. After that, type Control, then click on OK. So this will open control panel in your system. Go to this view by section and select large icons. After that, search for indexing. This is the option we need, indexing options. Click on it and this will open this kind of window. Click on this advanced option. After that, click on this option, rebuild, then click on OK. So as you can see, indexing in process. So wait for the process to finish and after that check your search box again. Now move on to the next step. If you are still getting the same issue, again press Window key and R together and type services.msc. Type this command. So this will open your Windows services. Now you have to search for a service called Windows Search. So scroll down and this is the service we need, Windows Search. Right click on it, go to Properties. Make sure the startup type will be selected as automatic. And after that, again right click on this service, then click on Restart. So you have to restart this Windows Search service. That's it. If the search box is still not working, the final step you can try is create a new user account, log in with it. I already created a video about how to create a new user account in Windows 11. I will put that video link in the description box. So these are the few steps you can try. This is all for the video. Thank you.